Basketball terms, take 2.
Oh, I know this one. Heat check. You know, I love this part of the game. I'm feeling like, confident. I'm dunking the ball a lot, but say I hit like a couple threes, I might take another one just because I'm feeling it a little bit, Once the game's over, my next heat check is gonna be that spicy chicken sandwich from Lee's.
Do you have a spicy face? Is there a spicy?
Yes.
Oh, man.
When you're thinking about that.
Henny Penny chefs do a great job of making that recipe because this thing right here is the bomb. Teamwork, it's important. Everybody on the team works together to win the game, but off the court. The deuce, made by Lee's and Henny Penny. You have your bread, then you have your chicken. You know what makes it special? It's made with the Henny Penny fryer. Your sauce, I'd prefer spicy sauce. Now we're gonna throw in the X factor, your macaroni and cheese. It sounds interesting, but trust me, it's really good. You have your fried pickles. Gotta put that on there. That's perfect teamwork right there. I think you should try it.